What if I told you that the financial freedom you've been dreaming of could be just a few clicks away? Yes, I'm serious. In a world where the internet is at our fingertips, the only thing stopping you from building wealth is knowing where to look. But here's the catch. Every day you wait, someone else is taking the opportunity you could have seized. So let's dive into the top 5 ways to make money online. And no, they're not what you expect. But before we start, let me ask you something. Do you ever wonder where you'd be financially in a year if you took action today? 1. Freelance services. Now, I know what you're thinking. Freelancing, right? But here's the reality. Freelancing in today's world isn't just about writing blogs or designing logos. We're talking high-paying skills, copywriting, coding, video editing that you can master in a few months and charge top dollar for. What if your next job wasn't a 9 to 5, but a project that earned you more in a week than you'd make in a month? Sounds exciting, right? But here's the scary part. Someone is willing to do what you won't. You don't need a degree, just discipline. Start now, or watch others get ahead while you wait. Plus, no more commuting. Unless, of course, your home office is a few steps too far from your bed. Freelancing is about leveraging your time and skills. But what if you can make money while you sleep? 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn passive income. Yes, while you sleep. Imagine earning commissions every time someone buys a product through your link. You don't have to create anything. You just have to share valuable content. The only catch? It takes time to build trust, and most people quit too soon. But here's the thing. Those who persist turn this into a 6-figure income stream. Are you going to be part of the 5% who stick with it, or will you let impatience win? But if patience isn't your thing, wait until you hear about the next idea. It requires no upfront work. 3. Print on demand. 130. Imagine running an e-commerce store without ever handling a single product. Sounds like a dream, right? With print on demand, you create designs, slap them on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. And when someone buys, the company does all the heavy lifting, printing, shipping, and customer service. Now, here's the exciting part. You only pay when you make a sale. But, and here's the challenge, your success depends on how well you market your products. Will your designs go viral, or will they sink into obscurity? If you've ever told yourself you're not creative enough, remember, there's a reason ugly Christmas sweaters are still a thing. Now, while print on demand is about creativity, our next idea taps into the power of information. And trust me, this one's going to surprise you. This one's going to surprise you. 4. Creating digital products. Think about this. You've got knowledge others are willing to pay for. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even printable planners, digital products are assets you create once and sell forever. And here's where it gets good. You can automate everything. It's like building a digital empire. But here's the catch. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Are you willing to put in the effort up front to reap the benefits for years? Remember, information is the new currency. But if the thought of making money from your brain power isn't enough to get you going, this last idea will definitely light a fire under you. 5. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. 130s. Let's talk about the big leagues. The stock market and cryptocurrencies aren't just for Wall Street professionals anymore. With apps like Robinhood and Coinbase, you can start investing with just a few dollars. The potential? Life-changing returns.